morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 10 February 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 15. Name of the chapter is Means of Communication. Means of communication. So let us do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video I have complete the explanation of the chapter, and after that we start the book exercises, that is question number A, tick the correct answer. So first 3 question we have already completed. Now we will start with question number 4. Tick the correct answer. First 3 question we have already completed. Now let's start with question number 4. To send an important message to friend immediately, we use a. To send an important message to a friend immediately, we use a newspaper. We use a newspaper. Option number B, radio, and option number C, mobile phone. So see student, to send a, if you want to send a important message to your friend immediately, we use a, मतलब आपको कोई ऐसा मैसेज है जो अपने फ्रेंड को इमिडिएटली भेजना है, तो व्हाट मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन वी विल यूज. सो सी स्टूडेंट, न्यूज़पेपर, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज न्यूज़पेपर. नो, दिस इज नॉट ए राइट आंसर. रीजन इज दैट you have to send an important message to your friend. It means which mean of communication you are using. When I explain you about mean of communication, then I have already explained you that mean of communication is divided into 2 parts. One is personal mean of communication and another is mass mean of communication. So and personal mean of communication you send individually to your friend or your relative, and in a mass mean of communication, when you communicate a same message with large number of people. Is it clear? When you communicate the same message with large number of people at the same time, that is known as mean of mass communication. So first option is given newspaper. Newspaper is a mean of mass communication. By this method you can communicate with a large number of people. So option number A is not a right answer. Radio, see again, radio is also a mass mean of communication. By this also you can communicate with a large number of people at the same time. So this is also not a right answer. Now option number C, mobile phone. Yes, mobile phone is the right answer because mobile phone इज अ पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. आपको अपने फ्रेंड को भेजना है तो आप पर्सनली अपने फ्रेंड को मैसेज कर रहे हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि उस मैसेज को सारे लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. योर फ्रेंड कैन ओनली रीड दैट मैसेज. सो दैट इज द रीजन मोबाइल फोन इज द राइट आंसर. मोबाइल फोन इज द राइट आंसर. Now, question number 5. To watch a live match, we use a. Question number 5. To watch a live match. To watch a live match, we use a. So to watch a live match we use a. First option is radio. Second option is television. And third option number C, news paper. So first of all let's understand, to watch a live match we use a radio. No, radio is not a right answer because in radio we can only listen the audio. ठीक है, इसमें सिर्फ हम आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं. रेडियो में मैच की कमेंट्री आती है, जैसे क्रिकेट के मैच हैं, अदर मैच हैं, तो उसमें आप सिर्फ यू आर एबल टू हेयर बट अनएबल टू सी द पिक्चर. पिक्चर आप उसमें नहीं देख सकते हो, बस आप सुन सकते हो. ऑडियो की फैसिलिटी है रेडियो में. इज इट क्लियर? सो रेडियो इज नॉट ए राइट आंसर. देन सी न्यूज़पेपर. न्यूज़पेपर इज अ मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन and in the newspaper the things are in the written form and we have to read that. So newspaper is also not a right answer. To watch a live match, see, so the right answer is television because television is the most advanced mean of communication. After radio the television was invented and television is the most advanced mean of communication because in the television both the facilities are available. Audio visual, you are able to hear the sound also and at the same time you can watch the match, live match. So the right answer is television. Now let's start with question number B. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. ठीक है. Now the first question is V dash our thoughts, we dash our thoughts, and we dash our thought and feeling, through means of communication. Through means of communication. So student, I have already explained you what is mean of communication, how we communicate with each other when we speak, or when we listen, or when we read or write. So in this manner, what we are doing when we speak to someone, to our friend, relative, or sometime to the stranger also, or listen to someone, or even we are doing the reading or writing. So by this method we can dash our thoughts and feelings with other people. So what we are doing, we share. Okay, so right answer is share. So we share our thoughts and feelings through means of communication, because mean of communication means while you are speaking to someone, or while you are listening, reading or writing. Is it clear? So this is the way how we share our thoughts and feelings with the other people. So this is mean of communication. So the right answer is share. Now question number 2. When we send something by post, we must write the complete dash and also the dash. When we send मतलब जब हम किसी को कुछ भेजते हैं. When we send something by post, we must write. When we send something by post, we must write the complete dash and also the dash. See student, so when we send something by post, so what are the service provided in the post office? That I have already explained you. Letters, inland letters, postcard and envelopes. So these are the services these are the service which are provided by the post office. And this mean of communication, student, is very popular in the past time. ठीक है, जब टेलीफोन है, मोबाइल फोन्स, इन सब का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ था और ह्यूमन बींग्स को लैंग्वेज को स्पीक करना और रिटर्न करना आ गया, तो पोस्टल कम्युनिकेशन इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इन द पास्ट टाइम. और आज अगर हम प्रेजेंट टाइम की बात करते हैं, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टाइम, देन द मोस्ट एडवांस मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज द मोबाइल फोन, because it has lot of facilities in your mobile phone. So when we send a message by post, we must write the complete dash. first thing is the address. For example, you want to send the letter to your friend or relative, so on the letter you must write the name of your friend, his address, because when we are writing the address, so what we write, firstly we write the name of the person to whom I want to send the letter, and after that I will write the complete address. For example, Shivam Yadav, 39 GTC, quarter number 301/2, Varanasi, UP. This is a complete. So we must write the complete address. And one more thing I explained you, when I explained you about the postal communication, after writing the address, the most important thing which we write on the letter is the 6-digit number, and that is known as PIN code. That is known as PIN code. That 6-digit number is known as PIN code. This gives a very important information. Just by seeing the PIN code, you get the exact location of the place, because post office are in every part of the country. Post office are in every part of the country, and after 1 or 2 kilometer, the PIN code of the post office changes. You can find post office in the villages area also, towns also, cities also, and in big cities also. So these PIN code, after some distance, 1 or 2 kilometer, the PIN code number changes. Okay, so what is the benefit of writing the PIN code? For example, student, you are living in Varanasi, and if your friend sends you the letter, so by seeing the PIN code, they understand the exact location of the place. Is it clear? For example, your friend sent you letter, and on the letter you have written this 21004 PIN code number. So just by seeing this PIN code number, they will understand this letter is of exact which place, DLW, because Varanasi is a big city. वाराणसी एक बड़ा शहर है, लेकिन जैसे ही वो बेटा पिन कोड नंबर देखेगा, उसको एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन का पता चल जाएगा. सो दिस पिन कोड नंबर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज इट टेल द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ द प्लेस. जब हम पिन कोड नहीं डालते हैं तो कभी कभी होता है हमारा लेटर नहीं भी मिलता है, हमको होता है ऐसा कि लेटर नहीं पहुंचा हमारे तक, ठीक है. लेकिन पिन कोड रहेगा तो कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता, आपका लेटर आपको मिलना ही मिलना है, ठीक है. तो ये क्या बताता है, पिन कोड आपका बताता है व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ द प्लेस इन दैट सिटी. Now question number 3. Question number 3. The dash is the fastest means of communication. Okay, so in the present time, the most advanced mean of communication is your mobile phone. Lot of facilities are in your mobile phone. You can easily carry your mobile phone with you. You can call to your friend or relative living in any part of the country or whether they are living in abroad. If you want to do video calling, you want to see the face of your friend or relative, you can do video calling also. You can send messages through different apps like WhatsApp, social messages you can send in Facebook, even you can send emails also with the help of your mobile. You can send SMS also with the help of your mobile. So lot of facilities are present in our this most in this most advanced mean of transport, that is our mobile phone, that is our mobile. So mobile is the fastest mean of communication. Next, dash carry articles, about the happening, about the happenings of the country, articles of the country every day. Now see, all of you, dash carry articles about the happenings of the country every day. So in the form of an article, so which means of communication we will consider? Firstly, this is not a personal mean of communication, because by this method we communicate with large number of people. Is it clear? Personally, first thing you must understand is that this is not a mean of communication that is personal. Okay, so by in this manner we communicate with large number of the people at the same time. That is the reason this is known as mass mean of communication. So what is the right answer? Right answer is our newspaper. Newspaper carry articles about the happenings of the country every day. Not only, see, if you have a habit of reading the newspaper, student, when you will open the newspaper, firstly you will read the national news of your country. There is 1 or 2 page in which you also get the international news, means what is happening in other countries. Okay, and one more thing you will get in the newspaper, the local news of your city. For example, you are living in city Varanasi, so on first page is our national news from all parts of the country. Then one thing you will find international news, what is happening all around the world. Then even you get a local news of your city. If you are in city, so whole news is about Varanasi city. And if you are living in another city like Allahabad, or new name of Allahabad is Prayagraj, then all local news is about the Prayagraj. Okay, so in this manner, and even you get the sports news also in your newspaper. Even 1 or 2 page is for the sports also, 1 page is for the small kids also. Is it clear? one page is for the small kids also, and some important tourist places are also given in that. And in the present time there are lot of programs which are telecast on different channels. That channel list is also you can find in the newspaper. Even in your area there are many picture halls or malls. So at present time, which in any theater which film is running present time, that also अगल बगल अगर आपके मॉल हैं या पिक्चर हॉल्स हैं, थिएटर्स हैं, तो करंटली उन थिएटर्स में क्या पिक्चर रन कर रही है प्रेजेंट टाइम में, तो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन आल्सो यू गेट फ्रॉम द न्यूज़ पेपर. सो newspaper carry articles about the happenings of the country every day. So note down student. Next question, that is question number 5. A dash machine is like a typewriter. So student, a dash machine is like a typewriter. So what is the right answer? Fax machine. The fax machine is like a typewriter. So student, how the typewriter work? With the help of a typewriter you can send handwritten messages also and printed messages also. Now how the fax machine works? They are connected to the telephone line, and for example, if you want to send a fax to your friend or relative, so in your fax machine also there should be A4 size paper, and the person to whom you want to send the fax, in his machine also there should be A4 size paper. So it is connected with a telephone line. You make a call, and after that whatever thing you have written by hand or you type it, so you put that thing in the machine and the same written message will come out to your friend or relative machine. इसीलिए बोला दोनों फैक्स मशीन में A4 साइज का पेपर होना चाहिए, तभी तो रिटर्न मैसेज आएगा. ठीक है, रिटर्न मैसेज कैसे आएगा? अगर इधर से आप रिटर्न मैसेज सेंड कर रहे हो और उस मशीन में अगर पेज ही नहीं है, तब रिटर्न मैसेज आ सकता है बेटा? नहीं आ सकता. तो दोनों मशीन में क्या होना चाहिए? A4 साइज पेपर होना चाहिए. बोथ द मशीन्स आर कनेक्टेड टू द टेलीफोन लाइन. हैंड रिटन मैसेज भी आप भेज सकते हो एंड बाई टाइप्ड मैसेज भी आप भेज सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट these fax machines are specially used in the office to send the documents, that things. So if someone asks you, ऐसा नहीं है, आप भी अपने घर में फैक्स मशीन रख सकते हो, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा इसका यूज़ कहाँ है बेटा? ऑफिस में. क्योंकि ऑफिस में बहुत से मेल आते हैं, ईमेल आते हैं, आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तो बहुत से कोटेशंस लेनी पड़ती हैं, बहुत से ईमेल आपको आ रहे, ईमेल आए, आपने रीड किया और उसका मान लो आपको जवाब देना है, फैक्स के थ्रू भेजने हैं, तो कई मेथड हैं, ईमेल मेथड से भी सेंड कर सकते हो, फैक्स मेथड से भी सेंड कर सकते हो। तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स को विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए फैक्स यू कैन सेंड, एंड स्पेशली you will find this fax machine in the office. Okay, so thank you student, we will continue the topic in the next video.